Codependent relationships are characterized by an unhealthy, one-sided dynamic where one person sacrifices their own needs to please or fix the other person. Here are some key signs of a codependent relationship. 1. Over-concern for the other person. You are overly concerned about what the other person is doing, thinking, and feeling, and you want to fix or rescue them from their problems. 2. One-sided relationship. The relationship is consistently one-sided, with one person being hardworking and responsible while the other is allowed to be irresponsible or avoid consequences. 3. Self-sacrifice. You sacrifice your health, time, energy, money, values, goals, or friendships to make the other person happy. 4. Walking on eggshells. You are afraid of doing or saying something that will displease or anger the other person, leading you to avoid expressing your opinions or asking for what you want. 5. Martyrdom. You take care of everyone and everything but feel resentful that no one helps or seems to care for you. 6. Control through criticism. You attempt to control the other person's behavior through criticism, ultimatums, nagging, or giving unsolicited advice. 7. Fear of rejection. You are afraid of being rejected, criticized, or abandoned, and often feel resentful, frustrated, taken advantage of, or unfulfilled. Codependency can occur in various relationships, including those with parents, children, spouses, friends, or coworkers. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards breaking free from codependency and creating healthier, more balanced relationships. Therapy can be a helpful tool in addressing and overcoming codependent behaviors.